Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this guy that I just finished to disassemble, and my camera just decided to bail on me, and here I am doing this for the second time. It's gonna be super quick, because I almost thought not to do it again, because gotta go. But I'm like, alright, since I enjoyed it, since it's not that easy, I'm gonna take this as a challenge and do it under 5 minutes. All right, so that is it. T8 for the scale. You get a T6 for these screws for the liners. There you go. And then you get a T8 back, because we're not gonna touch that, because, you know, there's no need. And then tackle the pivot. Take the pivot out. So that is done. Just open the blade, and when this guy just decides to pop, which it doesn't, you grab this little thing, so pry kind of little out, you wedge it with this plastic thing that I used, and boom, thing is open. That's it, done. Clean it up, right, like you would normally do. I'm not gonna do it because it's perfectly clean, so just, you know, take it apart, clean that thing. All right, here you get your pivot, put them back in the right order, a little drop right there, you know the drill, right? And it's done. You see, look, it did like a perfect job, just the camera didn't. So there's a limited edition numbering going on the inside, stainless steel lock face insert over travel, no internal skeletonization. You get this nice bolstered, like inlaid bolster with this white micarta. You get pivot collars. You get all the bells and whistles in this fella. And you don't just get to see me redoing everything, because something that I really don't like to do is repeat stuff that I already done nicely. So this guy goes in, then you flip it around, change this thing, do the T6, grab the other two screws that you just left in the right order, and then go tightening, if you can, like so. It's clearly not lined up. No problem. It will line up eventually, like so. So here you can just tighten, yeah, nicely, because it is important, and don't over tighten, of course, so like that is fine. T6 is gone, and then you get your scale back, and I was showing you guys in the video before a little bit of different action after my tune-up. It's there you go. So that is it, done. All right, so we're gonna do maybe a tight pivot. What do you say about that? Centering, yeah. Snappy, yeah. Too tight, of course. Still pretty centered to me. Solid. So you see, it's not like drop shot because the blade is not that big, but it's snappy and smooth when you just give it a little nudge, and it's very good. So that was my conclusion of the previous video, and as I said, it was under 5 minutes, so there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.